A little warm start. A little warm start. Alright, what's good, YouTube? So, I'm gonna go to a little Cars and Tacos, a little meet up with some people. If you're not from Texas, Cars and Tacos is like a big meet. It's like the nighttime Cars and Coffee. Like everybody gonna be there. It's gonna be lit, you know. I ain't really gonna film too much here because there's traffic on the road and
1 hour later.
Get over. You got it.
Oh, that SUV mad as fuck.
They mad as fuck, man.
Cause they smashed him.
How they tripping, ain't it?
Look out.
This nigga in the paint don't give a fuck, man.
He don't. He another wise, bro.
Fuck it, get over. Get over one more. You got that shit. Man, we got 8 miles, nigga. You chilling.
Them boys gone.
Bro, these niggas can't up. Bro, what the fuck? You got that whole thing right there.
You slow ass.
That's what I'm talking about, nigga. You got 1.1 mile tanks.
Man, look at that nigga snitching. That shit crazy. He even got the snitch balls. What up, man? That shit ghetto. So Matt? Yeah. Yeah, bro.
I'm finna ask Michael where he parked at.
Yeah, this is so ghetto. They got GTRs casually sitting here. A bunch of clapped out cars. Like, nah. I don't think his car turned down. I don't think his car turned up all the way.
Come on, that's revving like that?
Oh. He said he gonna blow his motor with all that rev. Bro, I don't know how I'm gonna get out. I got work in like an hour, bro.
No way. I'm waiting for Michael to respond. See where he parked.
So you on slips right now? Have you did a test it?
I'm going to Yellow Bell. I'm running at the bench.
Did you cut your hair, bro? I was finna say I thought you had more hair.
I moved the motor in the pause. Brake rider taking up 2 spots. See that shit?
That man can't drive. No, I'm just playing. Hey, do a burnout. I'm just playing.
Bro, that man over there taking up 2 spots for that fucking hose.
I'm gonna walk down there.
Alright, hold on.
Alright. You got somebody trying to race you? From a dig? So look, we're looking for a spot for Vontae, but I ain't gonna lie, it's not looking good, bro. And I got meta glasses just in case something crazy happen, and I just need to get it real quick. I don't even feel right wearing glasses. I don't think he gonna find a spot.
Good luck.
Oh, CPR racing, I know him. What up, man? I recognize that car immediately.
I got Michael right there.
It was that blue stripe. Yeah, so Michael right there, bro. I don't think he gonna find a spot.
That's that red eye Michael raced that Yellow Bell and he spanked that hoe.
He spanked the red eye?
Yeah, red eye swap 15 Charger. He raced the hoe Yellow Bell, he spanked that hoe.
I'm gonna zoom in on the motor so the whole vlog know that he spanked. That shit tough.
This the one that was in the Z1?
Yeah.
What up with it, bitch?
What up, man?
Just follow with this.
He said, what up with it?
Right there.
I think you can do it.
From a dig, too.
Yeah, dead ass.
Let me go put some heat in it real quick. You don't even probably need it. From a dig? I got full tires.
From a dead, you got it.
From a dig? Let me put my tires. Let me put my tires in the car.
I'm trying to put in. Hold on, wait. I'm trying to put in too. I'm trying to put in. That's an easy win.
I don't even have to talk.
Who's the owner of it? Let me know if I can put in on the pot. I'll put in. That's easy money. I'll cash out, Zell you.
All the way around.
What up, man? What up? I tried to look for a spot for you, but ain't none over here. I got you. Started that beat me in that dig, bro. It was not supposed to happen. When I get a drag pack, I got you, man.
We can run it. I want to run.
I'ma spank you, bro.
I don't know. I think it's like crazy.
I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. I just mad at somebody. They just trying to go to Bombshell by normal. There's all type of cars. Wait, is that Bonte over there? Can I zoom in? Nah, Bonte ain't got no rabbit. Kia.
Don't get me wrong. The new Stingers look okay, but you would never catch me driving.
I ain't even gonna lie. I would be a little messy. I would never drive one.
I would never.
If I did, I would get it as a daily though.
I mean, they're clean for sure. They can be quick.
Damn. Shit ghetto, bro. I had to film that. Bro, this shit's so ghetto. She coming back to do another one. I'm finna film this. Am I filming? I see the light. Alright, cool. This shit cloud. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. That shit cloud, bro. He ain't gonna do another one. Nah, he ain't doing another one. He done got in the car.
Probably not.
Talk your shit.
It didn't hold up before.
We got a money run potentially, y'all.
No, your shit slow as fuck, bro. It's slow as fuck.
This nigga's dick riding car right now.
I'm not dick riding.
Who car is that?
I'm just trying to get a race. They talking about Hellcat on street with no tires gapping your shit. Belt to ass. You get my car.
I'll put money in on it.
Oh God, I'm such a nigga.
I'll put however much y'all want.
Like,
You gonna smack that car, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I was trying to race this jailbreak, but I don't think you want to race.
it'd be fun.
Dad, I got work.
And we found Michael too.
I'm gonna go walk around some more, y'all. It was a jailbreak over there. He was trying to.
I need some about that soccer. That shit slow, nigga.
What up, man?
I read some.
My homie got an Audi S3. He was trying to race him from a dig, but he didn't want to. For obvious reasons. Bro, this shit so ghetto. Man, I can't get on that, bro. I gotta head out. I can't be late. Alright, bro. This shit so ghetto. I love cars and tacos. Corvette before. Is that you on Dolph Corvette? Hold on, bro. Who car is this? Is this real?
That's my big boy right here. That's
This dead ass his shit? Like this actually
CAP.
in his car?
Flag on the play.
Y'all got proof, bro, cause hell no, bro.
You trying to hear it out? Trying to hear it out?
Oh, yeah.
Any car allowed.
Yeah, this shit. Look at the interior. Hey, we got the
What the interior look like?
Hold on, he said 30.
Bro,
Hey, no, for real shit, that's...
this dead ass used to be Young Dolph car.
Bro, you don't see people with that sign.
Right here, look.
That's what I was looking at though.
Look right there.
Young Dolph.
Hey, they don't do that. They don't do that.
They don't do that, ain't
They ain't gonna
You know
rap
what I'm
like
saying?
that.
There's no other rap like this.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta keep it
That shit hard. I fought with it. R.I.P. Dolph, bro. Shit crazy. And you modded. You a fast boy, man. I ain't gotta know. I just wanted to get something for the vlog, though. I ain't seen this before. So, yeah. But, hey, y'all be easy, bro. I'm gonna give you that. All right, bro. Yeah. All right, y'all. I gave everybody that. I don't even know them niggas.
Day 2.
All right, so that was the first one. We're gonna try it again. Talk your shit, bro. He got that home. He finna go to the big area. His car shot a flame. His
He turns it.
Yeah, you gotta hold it down.
what up, y'all? It's Cool Boy Daymar. I'm gonna go ahead and save y'all the whole speech about how I'm gonna do better, and I ain't been uploading. So we're gonna get right to it. Chevy key. We finna change these tires cause you can turn the light on. It's been about, I've been on these Ultra Blades for, let me see, like 9,000 miles. So like a year and a half. It's about that time. I already changed my fronts. All right, so you can't really see it on the side, but I'm gonna film like a discount tire when they take my tire off. But yeah, they need to be changed up. You know, I got road racing, drag races, burnouts, road course days. Them tires lasted, so I got my money's worth. I'm gonna get you a little cold start. I normally don't film it from back here, but. Of NTO1s in the front, or Triple A's on the back. You quiet it down. It's in tour mode, so. But I'm gonna see y'all at Discount Tire, and I'm gonna update y'all. Yeah, they ball. What up, man? So this past weekend, I was really trying to take it down to the courts. But yeah, we had Discount Tire. I don't know. I'm gonna turn the camera back on just to show y'all like how my old tire look, how the new ones. Some of the new ones right there. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna turn it back on if something exciting happens.